to achieve this look, which is really dramatic, bold, black smoky eye. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Let me know in the comments how do you like this look and if you're gonna recreate this look. Also follow me on my social media on Instagram and Twitter. It's Mariya Marinova. All my links will be down below in the description box. You can check them out. If you want to see how to achieve this look, thank you for watching. Firstly, I'm gonna prime my lids with concealer to prep my eyes for the eye makeup. So mainly I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, Panther. It's I think it's true black. We'll see when I apply it on my lid. I'm not sure. And also in my crease, I'm gonna use this single eyeshadow from Marc. It's called Red Brick. I'll use some crease shades from this palette. So now I will apply all over my lid that eye pencil from Rimmel London. Okay, so I'm moving on to the face makeup. For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Vanilla. For bronzer and contour, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer. I'm using the Maybelline Sculpting Brow Mascara. For highlighter, I'm using the Mary Luminizer by theBalm. To finish off the look, I'm using MAC Cream Cup NYX Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade London.
No serio? Si prędko?
Jak masz taka
Tylko
nie masz. To strasznie maczką bez zapłata.
O, mnie to zapomniałam.
No to jest $100
Jejku!
O,